Welcome to Ank's English, your home for mastering English and unlocking the life you were born to live. If you're here to sharpen your listening skills through powerful stories, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're diving into a story that's not just about learning English, it's about waking up to your potential. So grab a pen, open your heart, and let these words sink deep. Let's begin. Hello, everyone. Stop what you're doing. Take a moment. Breathe in slowly. Feel the air in your chest. Now ask yourself this. Are you truly alive, or are you just going through the motions? You dream of adventure, seeing the world, owning a car that turns heads, building a life of freedom, love, and purpose. You want a career that excites you, a mind at peace, a heart that feels full. But here's the real question. What are you doing today to make those dreams real? Are you lost in your phone, scrolling through lives that aren't yours? Are you binge watching shows that leave you empty? Are you pushing things off, saying, I'm not ready? Are you still scared of messing up? Let me be clear. This is your life. It's not a practice round. You don't get a reset button. This moment right now is your chance. In this video, I'm not here to give you fluffy motivation. I'm here to hand you a flashlight to see the truth. If you want to speak English with confidence, build wealth, or live a life that feels electric, you can't just listen. You have to feel this. Let it burn inside you. If you're ready for raw, honest talk that pushes you to grow, subscribe to Ank's English now. We're not just about better English, we're about a better you. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Time is your life. Don't throw it away. You think you're just passing time when you scroll endlessly or sleep through your mornings, but the truth is harsher. Time is eating you alive. Every minute you waste is a piece of your future gone forever. You don't feel it today, but life is moving fast. Your dreams are on a timer. Your energy is slipping. Your opportunities are fading. What did you do yesterday? What about last week? Are you still promising yourself you'll start tomorrow? That tomorrow is a lie your mind tells to keep you stuck. The world doesn't reward your plans, it rewards your moves. Solution: treat every hour like it's your last. Write down one thing you'll do today to get closer to your goal. Cut 30 minutes of mindless scrolling and use it to practice English, read something new, or take a step forward. Time is your greatest asset. Guard it fiercely, or it'll slip away. Lesson 2. Take the wheel of your life. Stop blaming the world for where you are. Your family's expectations, your lack of money, your tough childhood, none of that owns you. You own you. People spend years crying over what they didn't get. I wasn't born rich. I didn't have a perfect start. I don't have all the answers. So what? The greatest stories come from people who had nothing but a fire in their chest. Look at someone like Malala Yousafzai. Shot for wanting an education, yet she rose to inspire millions. She didn't blame, she built. Solution: write down your biggest obstacle. Next to it, write one step you can take to push past it. Say this every day. I am in charge of my destiny. You're not a victim, you're a creator. Lesson 3. Your comfort zone is a prison. Step out. Your routine feels easy. Wake up, check your phone, eat, scroll, sleep. But easy is a trap. It's where dreams go to die. Growth lives on the other side of discomfort. Want to speak English fluently? Then speak, even if your voice shakes. Want to start something new? Take the first step, even if it's clumsy. Fear of looking foolish or failing keeps you locked in place. Let people judge. Let them whisper. Keep moving. Think of a seedling. It has to push through dirt to reach the sun. Staying comfortable keeps you buried. Solution: do one thing today that feels scary. Record yourself speaking English. Sign up for that course. Share your work. Discomfort is your ticket to growth. Buy it. Lesson 4. Someday is a thief. When you say, I'll start later, you're not just postponing, you're robbing yourself. Someday is a trick your fears use to keep you still. It doesn't mean you'll act tomorrow. It means you're avoiding today. People who win don't wait for the stars to align. They move now, flaws and all. Want to improve your English? Don't wait for confidence. Speak today. Want to chase a dream? Don't wait for permission. Start today. Someday never arrives, and regret is a heavy load. Imagine looking back, knowing you could have started that project, learned that skill, or changed your life, but you waited. Solution: set a timer for 5 minutes. Do one thing now. Write a sentence in English. Sketch an idea. Take a step. Small actions today crush the lie of someday. Lesson 5. Stop overthinking. Start doing. Your mind is a gift, but it's also a cage. You plan to learn English, but you worry about your accent. You dream of a business, but you stress about failing. Overthinking paralyzes you before you even try. You don't need to map out every detail to begin. You just need to begin. Think of a painter. She doesn't wait to master every brushstroke before starting a canvas. She paints, messes up, learns, and creates. Solution: plan for 10 minutes, then act for an hour. Practice English out loud. Start that project. Move before your doubts catch up. Action is the antidote to fear. Lesson 6. Be the one who stands out. In every group, there's someone who rises. They wake up early while others sleep. They work while others play. They push through fear while others hide. Why not you? Stop believing success is for someone else. You're here to shine, not fade. Be the one who practices English when others scroll. Be the one who starts when others wait. People will doubt you. They'll call you crazy. Let them. Your success will speak louder than their words. Solution: each morning ask, what would a bold version of me do today? Then do it. Walk with confidence. Speak with purpose. Become the person others talk about years later. Lesson 7. Battle your inner doubts. Your greatest fight isn't with the world, it's with the voice inside saying you're not enough. That voice that tells you to quit, to stay small, to play it safe. Every day, you choose which voice wins, the one that pushes you forward or the one that pulls you back. Feed the fighter, not the doubter. Solution: keep a journal of your wins. Every time you choose action over fear, write it down. Celebrate small steps. You're not fighting a game. You're fighting for your future. Lesson 8. Forge your discipline. Motivation is a fleeting breeze. It comes and goes. Discipline is the anchor that keeps you steady. It's practicing English when you're exhausted, chasing your goals when you're scared, showing up when life feels heavy. Discipline is a skill you build. Want to stop wasting nights on your phone? Turn it off for an hour. Keep doing it. Soon, you'll master your habits. Solution: pick one habit to conquer. Do it daily, no excuses. Reward consistency, not comfort. Discipline turns dreams into achievements. Lesson 9. Comparison is a dead end. Looking at someone else's life, their perfect posts, their fluent English, their success, makes you feel small. But you're not seeing their struggles, their doubts, their failures. You're comparing your raw, messy journey to their curated highlights. Your path is yours alone. A river doesn't envy the ocean, it flows its own way. Solution: unfollow accounts that dim your light. Track your growth from last month, not someone else's today. Let others inspire you, not shrink you. You're here to become your best self, not a copy of someone else. Lesson 10. Seek wisdom, not noise. Advice is everywhere, but most of it's empty. If you want to master English, don't ask someone who's never tried. If you want to succeed, don't listen to someone who's never dared. Learn from those who've walked the path, failed, learned, and won. Your friend's advice might come from love, but if they've never chased a dream, it's just fear talking. Solution: ask, has this person done what I want? If not, thank them and move on. Guard your vision. Bad advice can cost you years. Lesson 11. Bet on yourself. The world won't roll out a red carpet for you. No one's coming to say you're the one. Stop waiting for approval or a lucky break. Bet on yourself. Start that channel. Write that story. Apply for that job. Walt Disney was rejected countless times before creating his empire. He believed in himself when no one else did. You can too. Solution: declare, I am my own opportunity. Take one step today without needing anyone's nod. The world notices those who trust themselves. Lesson 12. Risk is the spark of greatness. A safe life is a small life. Every icon you admire took a chance, quit a job, moved across the world, spoke up when it was terrifying. You want a story that inspires? Then risk failure. Risk looking silly. Risk trying. Want to speak English fluently? Risk stumbling over words. Want to build something big? Risk falling short. Without risk, you're just existing. Solution: take one leap today. Share your English practice online. Pitch an idea. Ask, what if it works? Risk is the fuel for a life worth living. Lesson 13. The clock is ruthless. Time doesn't pause for your doubts. It doesn't slow for your fears. Every second you wait, your dreams slip further away. You're not too young or too old. You're just running out of time. In 5 years, you'll either thank yourself for starting now or ache with regret for waiting. Solution: stop saying, I'll start soon. Do one thing now. Practice a new English word. Take a step toward your goal. Time is ticking. Move before it's gone. Lesson 14. No one's watching, and that's your freedom. Nobody cares about your struggles as much as you do. They're caught up in their own lives. But that's your power. If no one's watching, you're free to fail, to try, to rise. You don't need their cheers to start. You need your own fire. Solution: work in silence. Build without needing applause. Turn your pain into progress. Nobody cares? Perfect. That means you're free to become unstoppable. Lesson 15. Why not now? What's holding you back? Will tomorrow be easier? Will fear disappear? No. The perfect time is a myth. If you can't act today, you won't act tomorrow. Every delay fades your dreams. Want to speak better English? Say one sentence now. Want to change your life? Take one step now. Solution: ask, why not now? If you can't answer, move. One small action today can light the path to a new life. Lesson 16. Craft a life you love. Look at your life. Is it what you dreamed of? Are you excited to wake up? Or are you stuck in a loop pretending to be okay? You're not a tree. You can move. If your life feels wrong, redesign it. Change your habits, change your circle, change your mindset. You're the sculptor of your existence. Solution: list one thing you want to change. Write one action to start. Create a life that makes your heart race. Lesson 17. Shatter expectations. Society, family, friends, they'll try to box you in. Get a safe job. Don't aim too high. Blend in. But those expectations are shackles. Living for others' approval is a quiet death. You're here to chase your fire, not theirs. Solution: say no to one expectation today. Follow what lights you up, even if it means standing alone. Your life is yours. Own it. Lesson 18. Your pain is your strength. Your struggles, your tears, your failures, they're not flaws. They're your fuel. Every scar is proof you survived. Don't hide your pain, use it. Let it push you to grow, to fight, to rise. The strongest people turn their wounds into wisdom. Solution: Write down one hardship you faced. Next to it, write how it shaped you. Let that strength guide your next move. Lesson 19, sharpen your focus. Distractions are your enemy, your phone, your doubts, your fears. They steal your future. Every hour you waste weakens your dreams. Focus is a muscle you train. Solution, turn off your phone for an hour. Work on one goal. Starve distractions, feed your focus. A year of focus can rewrite your life. Lesson 20, fight for your dreams. Life doesn't hand out trophies for potential. It rewards those who show up, who grind, who refuse to quit. You want fluency in English? Practice daily. You want freedom? Build it with sweat and heart. Solution, wake up with purpose. Say, I'll earn my dreams. Take one step today, no matter how small. You're not a dreamer, you're a fighter. Listen, I know it's tough. Maybe you're watching this feeling weighed down by money troubles, broken dreams, or a heart that's heavy. Maybe you're hiding your pain, smiling to the world while hurting inside. But hear me, you are not done. There's a light in you waiting to shine. Your struggles are the start of a stronger you. Find a dream that sets your soul ablaze. Protect it, build it. Work when no one's watching. Learn English, grow skills, push forward daily. You're not weak, you're just beginning. You're not late, you're just warming up. You're not alone, I'm rooting for you. You're a force, a spark, a story waiting to unfold. So stand tall, dry your tears, fix your eyes on what's ahead. Your future is calling, go claim it. Thank you for joining Anx English. Don't just listen, act. Subscribe for more stories that inspire and teach. Share this with someone who needs a spark. Take one step today. Your life is waiting. Make it epic.